the art of a hairstylist's hands. In order to develop the project's aesthetic concept, stylists frequently work with clients, photographers, art directors, and makeup artists. And this time, it's nice to work with Lady Twinkle. For designs that enhance their clients' inherent qualities, hairstylists must be aware of face, shape and hair kinds. To develop the art that complements each individual's distinct sense in order to create looks that accentuate their client's natural beauty and inherent qualities, which shows the gorgeousness of each one. Hairstylists need to be honest about what looks good and come up with ideas if they want to create a style that fits each person's unique beauty. As per Lady Twinkle, I dreamt and wanted to help make people feel beautiful, so I became a hairstylist. It is said that, when a woman walks in a room, her hairstylist walks with her. Anonymous. And per Vidal Sassoon, to sculpt a head of hair with scissors is an art form. It's in pursuit of art.